How want the children to do that at Georgetown and things like that, how it going down? You ain't let the queen come back. What kind of thing this year? I understand Rona the day everywhere and things like that, and we ain't want nobody to get sick and things like that, so it can't be there with 100 children this year time. But I'm so glad I had more than 20 years when I've been a cleaner and down the road from St. Helena where I did at now to 100 children right on in Georgetown. So I'm so glad that for this year, Gullah 2020. See, we culture more clearly that 100 children done to give this proclamation to we. And that 100 show said right there in Georgetown County, South Kakalaki, you're still all about the Gullah Geechee Nation appreciation. So I want to say thank you to all the 100 children who did it in Georgetown and things like that. And we pray the 100 family and the whole council and everybody what did it, all 100 staff and everything. We pray that you're healthy, you're safe, and you stay blessed up and things like that. After all of this year, I still coming back up the creek yonder and we want to shout together, yeah? Thank you for all these 20 years for 100 to celebrate with we, who we be, and we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Peace and blessing.